Hello and welcome to the fifth Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 tutorial. This is probably going to be one of the most boring parts of the language, but it's vital in every single program you're going to make. It's going to be quite quick. I'm just going to teach you how to use math functions. So let's get on with the tutorial. First, create a new project and name it math functions and OK. And we're going to create a very simple message box. So we're going to create a button first, and we're going to double click it. And what we want this button to show is message box.show 10 plus 15. It's very important we don't put these in strings, because if we put this in strings, I'll show you in a second actually, if we put this in strings, then they're no longer numbers, they're just strings, so it will output 10 plus 15. But if we don't include strings, then it's going to add them together. So we'll play this. The first thing is going to add 10 and 25 together, which is 25. And next one will simply say 10 plus 15. So that's important. Whenever you're using math functions, do not use quotations, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so next we're going to use something different. We're going to have 20 take away 5, and whoops, ignore that. And if you play that, that should be 15. There we go, 15. And to use the times, it would be the star button, sorry. That should say 100. There we go. And the divide button, this will give us 4. And that's basically it. How to add, take away, or subtract, multiply, and divide in Microsoft Visual Basic. This is probably the most boring part of the program, but trust me, it gets better. You're going to be using these a lot, so if you have any questions about it, just leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment, and if you would like me to create a tutorial especially for you, just leave a comment as well, and rate the video and subscribe. Thanks.